let's begin another main topic within the topic of how to teach writing or teaching writing as a skill in the second language classroom. Now we will discuss the nuts and bolts of writing. What we mean by nuts and bolts of writing. This is an introductory module which will set the ground for the following modules about the nuts and bolts of writing. Nuts and bolts of writing involve teaching students about handwriting, about punctuation, about different mechanical components of writing and their use and making them practice. So writing is a craft, right? As this statement by Ernest Hemingway shows. And I have included this statement, put this statement on this slide just to make you aware that this is the most difficult skill to teach, one of the most difficult skills to be taught to the students. So we are all in the process of learning writing, and where no one ever becomes a master. So it's an ongoing process. And remember, Hemingway was widely applauded a successful and effective writer by his style, which was crisp, which was very convincing and very thought-provoking, right? So writing is a craft which requires a lot of continuous effort, and this is what we need to instill this message into the minds of our students, that look, this writing does not come overnight or fortnight or in a month or in a year or in a like 5 years. It's an ongoing process, and there may be difficulty because writing is all about thinking about a topic or having a topic and then brainstorming about that topic and then organizing ideas about that topic and translating those ideas, putting those ideas into a readable text is a big challenge. Because the reason is there are two kinds of skills involved, the higher level and the lower level. The higher level is about the concept, the content, the knowledge, and its presentation. And the lower level is the mechanical components, for example, handwriting, for example, a spelling challenge, and then putting the ideas into a readable text. So, for example, there are students who say that they have learned the rule, what you can do them, but they are not able to write a readable text. So this can be a challenge for the. What we can do as language teachers, we can show them models. As I said before, showing the models can expose them to different genres of writing and what are the conventions and constraints followed in different genres. We can reinforce the basic rules, what a particular curriculum tends to teach to our students. For example, if there are students in the 3rd grade and they have learned a lot of vocabulary, but they are not able to put that vocabulary into a readable text because they are not able to understand the nuts and bolts of writing, which is punctuation or spelling. So in this regard, teacher can help students how to master the art of punctuation, or how to, despite the growing spread of computers, still handwriting is in use, and handwriting, develop the art of handwriting. So it's the teacher's guidance and then the personalized or individualized feedback which can help train the students. So in the following modules, we will continue to see the nuts and bolts of writing and how we as language teachers train our students write well, write convincingly, and write in a logical and coherent way.